application of subset. So the last topic of exercise 2.4 and application of subsets exercise 2.3. So how to apply subset in a given problem? If A subset B, find A union B, A intersection B. Very important 1 mark sum. So they won't give any elements. Take your own elements and prove this one. How to find out A union B and A intersection B. What is the condition is given? Condition is A subset of B. That means all the elements of A or the elements of B. Extra element should be lies in B. Take two sets satisfying this condition A subset B. Now A is equal to set 1 2. B is equal to set 1 3 4 2. Listen. So, by taking example, we can find out A union B, A intersection B by applying condition what? A subset of B. What is subset among? All the elements of A or the elements of B, then we can say that A is subset of B. A 1 1, 2 2. So, all the elements of A or the elements of B or not. So, according to this condition, you must take your own example and solve. First, what value you want to find out? A union B. A 1 comma 2 union B means 1 3 4 2. Again, what is the concept of union in exercise 2.42 we learn? The union of the two sets A and B is all the elements of A and B. Common element should be considered as only once. So all the elements of A and B, A, B, common element should be taken only once. 1 common one time, 2 common one time, 3 4. What you must conclude? Observe 1 2 3 4. So A union B is equal to what answer you got? B. One more bit task. A intersection B. A means 1 comma 2. Intersection B means what is there? 1 3 4 2. What is intersection of two sets among? Intersection of two sets A and B is common elements of A and B. So what are the common elements of A and B? 1, 2. What answer you got? A intersection B is equal to what? A. This is very important. What is the condition? If A subset B, A union B is equal to B. And again what answer you got? A intersection B is equal to A. These two are very important. Note on this one. Now chapter 2 last exercise 2.4 deals with equivalent, equal, finite, infinite sets. How to define equivalent sets, equal sets, finite sets, infinite sets. Now listen one by one I will explain. First example must take A is equal to set 10, 11, 12. B is equal to, don't try to listen, A, B, C. How many sets I have considered? Two sets. A is equal to set 10, 11, 12. B is equal to set A, B, C. So, we are defining equivalent sets. What is meant by equivalent set? Right? Cardinal number. What is n of A? 1, 2, 3. Write a cardinal number. How many elements are there? 3. So, two sets have same cardinal number and the two sets are called as equivalent sets. So, once again, what is meant by equivalent sets? Two sets have same cardinal number, whatever the elements may be. Cardinal numbers, then the two sets are called as what? Equivalent sets. Now, let's write down first definition example. First one. Equivalent sets. What is equivalent sets? How many sets you are taking? Two sets. Two or more sets. Two sets having what? Same cardinal number. Same cardinal number are called equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Equivalent sets. Example. Take your own example. Example. A is equal to set ABC. B is equal to set PQR. Write ordinal number n of A is equal to n of B is equal to how much is there? 3. So, two sets have equal cardinal number called as what? Equivalent sets. Now, second one, listen. Equal sets. Listen okay. A 10, 100, 2. B 2, 110. So, what is meant by equal sets? So, for equal sets also, you must take 2 or more than 2. So, what is the condition for equal sets? Same, you must write down first cardinal number. What is cardinal number? 3. What is cardinal number? 3. 1, 2, 3. Two sets have same cardinal number and corresponding elements are equal. 10, 10, 100, 100, 2, 2. So, once again listen, what is meant by equal sets? Two sets have, if the same cardinal number, they are called as what? Equivalent sets. Same cardinal number and corresponding elements are equal, they are called as what? Equal sets. Now, write down the definition. What is meant by equals? Public examination will give 1 mark. Equal sets. Equal sets. What is meant by equal sets? Two sets, 2 or more than 2. Two sets having what? Same cardinal number. Same cardinal number. It is linked with equivalent sets. Cardinal number and corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements are equal. Elements are equal are called equal sets. Equal sets. Example. Let us take two sets. A is equal to set 6, 7, 8. B is equal to set 8, 7, 6. Now write down cardinal number. N of A is equal to N of B is equal to how much? 3. And also 6, 6, 7, 7. You must check. You don't need to write anything. 8. Corresponding elements are equal or not? Therefore, these two sets are called as what? Equal sets. Corresponding elements are also equal. That's why these two are called what? Equal set. Note on these two. Finite set, infinite set. Now listen example, then after write down definition. So equivalent means same cardinal number. Equal sets means same cardinal number and corresponding elements are also equal. Next definition is a finite set. Now listen. C is equal to set 1, 2, 3, so on 10. So how many elements are there in C set? Is it possible to count or not? 1, 2, 3, so on. How many elements are there? 10. So, in a set, elements are possible to count is called as what? Finite set. Now, E is equal to set 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Otherwise, set D is equal to A, B, C, D, so on. So, here, so on means we are not possible to count. In a set, elements are not possible to count is called as infinite set. In a set, elements are possible to count is called what? Finite set. Write down two definitions with example. Now listen. Finite set. Finite set. What is finite set, Amma? In a set, elements are possible to count. Possible to count is called finite set. Is called finite set. Write your own example. Example. A is equal to set 10, 11, 12, so on 20. Is it possible to count or not? Up to 10 to 11 you must count. Not 20 numbers, 10 to count. 10, 11, 12, 13, like that you must count and write. No need to take 1 to 20. So it is what example for finite set. Now what is meant by infinite set? Infinite set. If you know the finite set, you can write infinite set. In a set, elements are not possible to count is called what? Infinite set. In a set, elements are not possible to count, are not possible to count is called infinite set. In a set, elements are not possible to count is called infinite set. Example, write down your own, which are not possible to count. A is equal to set P, Q, R, so on. We don't know which one. Where it is n. That's right. It is called what? Infinite set. Once again, listen. Exercise 2.4 deals with equivalent, equal, finite and infinite. Equivalent means same cardinal number. So both sets have, how many sets you are taking? Have same cardinal number. Not only two, more than two also you must take. They are called as what? Equivalent sets. Two sets have same cardinal number and corresponding elements are equal. They are called as what? Equal set. Finite means they end. They will end. Set will be closed. Certain number. So it will be end. In a set, elements are possible to count is called finite. Elements are not possible to count is called what? Infinite. Note down these two.